I'm planning on detailing or cleaning the Q7. It's pretty filthy. I want to do the internal first. Planning to use this Dyson vacuum and this little brush to get most of the dust out of the carpet. And let's see how we'll go with this one. Pretty filthy, as you see. We have work needed. Alright, remember last time I did a video of removing this, but I wasn't that successful in removing the full. I could only remove quarter of this, and still there's plenty left on there. I'm thinking of putting, don't know if I can remove this. I'm gonna put another layer of carpet over it. Not really original carpet, but the carpet covers, which covers most of it. Hopefully I will take a video after that and I'll show you. But look at this filthy car. I'll do another part after a cleaned one. We'll see the difference. Look at this filth all over the place. Thank you.